So what is your concept behind multiplication law? By the way, when it comes to multiplication law, the idea is that when like bases, that is the same bases, are multiplying. By the word base, I believe you should know what I mean by base, something like this. So when like bases or when the same bases are multiplying, simply add their power. That's all. So let me just show you what I just said using an illustration. So let's say I have a to power 3 multiplying a to power 2. We said when like bases or when the same bases are multiplying in this form, simply add their power. So that becomes a to power what? 3 plus 2. That gives a to power 5. So note that when like bases a and a are similar, are like bases, when they're multiplying, simply what they add their power. 2 plus 3 plus 2, that gives 5. That becomes your concept behind multiplication law. When you're seeing times, you add their power. So that's like the idea behind that man there. Let's take another example. Let's say I have a to power 6 times b to power 3 times a to power 2 times b to power 4. Look up, please. Let's get this done, please. Observe that in this second question here, I'm seeing like bases. A and A are like bases. B and B are like bases. Mind you, I can't go ahead and combine A and B. You know, say A times B to power 6 plus 3. No, it's not done. We said there must be of what? Of the same basis. Of the same base. By the word base, I believe you know what I'm saying. This is a base, this is a base. They must be of the same thing so they can add up their power. So my task now is that I'll bring the term that has the same base together. So I have a to power 6 times what? A to power 2. These two are the same base. Next up times b to power 3 times b to power 4. So I can add the power together because they have the same base. That becomes a to power 6 plus 2 times b to power 3 plus 4. What do I get here? That becomes a to power 8 times b to power 7. This gives a to power 8 b to power 7 as being my answer to this particular problem. So it becomes